Is your iPhone stuck on installing Roblox and won't complete? This is usually caused by network glitches, storage problems, or App Store bugs. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the installing Roblox issue on your iPhone. Let's get Roblox installed now. Before doing anything else, turn off the Do Not Disturb mode and Low Power mode. Then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Force close and restart the App Store. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Find the App Store. Now swipe it up and off the screen to close it. Open the App Store again and try downloading Roblox again. Solution 2. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete app. Finally, tap the Delete app again. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open Settings. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. If you see Software Update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. And that's a wrap. Hopefully, the installing Roblox stuck error is all sorted now. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Have any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned.